Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make some vegan keto stuffed grape leaves. Starting with the filling, you're going to need a food processor. First, start by adding 3 cups of walnuts. Roughly chop a tomato and add it to the walnuts. Then a bell pepper and half of a large onion. Your greens are going to be parsley, cilantro, and some dill. Roughly chop it up and add it to the processor. Before processing, add some water to the ingredients. I use about 1/4 cup. Don't forget to season. Add some salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Before or during the processing, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And this is what your mixture should look like. You can definitely find some California grape leaves on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box. Rolling takes practice. Lay the grape leaf on a flat surface. Add just a small amount of the filling. After shaping the filling, you could start rolling. I start with the bottom 2 flaps, then I fold over the sides, and then I roll completely. And it should look something like this. I like mine as thin as possible. Before placing it in a pot, add some grape leaves to the bottom, and then once it's full, add some more grape leaves on the top. Then it's ready to cook. Pour into the pot 1/2 cup of water mixed with 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and salt. Set to medium and cook for 30 minutes or until you see the water is gone. Once cooked, you can plate it up and enjoy.